The Cloud Base Interactive Calculator helps engineers determine cloud ceiling heights and atmospheric conditions for aviation and meteorological applications. Let's explore the input fields. First, we have a calculation mode dropdown with 5 options. Calculate cloud base height, calculate required dew point, calculate surface temperature, calculate temperature dew point spread, and calculate cloud base with pressure altitude. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate cloud base height. The output units dropdown offers meters or feet, and I've selected meters. Now for the input parameters. Surface temperature in degrees Celsius accepts your ground level temperature reading. Dew point in degrees Celsius captures the moisture content. Cloud base height in meters AGL is for alternative calculation modes. Temperature dew point spread in degrees Celsius represents the difference between temperature and dew point. Surface pressure in hectopascals defaults to standard atmospheric pressure. For our example, I'll input surface temperature 20 degrees, dew point 12 degrees, and surface pressure 1013.25 hectopascals. After clicking calculate, the results show cloud base height AGL at 1000 meters, cloud base height MSL also at 1000 meters. Temperature dew point spread confirms 8 degrees Celsius, and condensation level temperature is 10.2 degrees Celsius. The atmospheric condition indicates high cloud base with good VFR conditions and potential cumulus development if convection occurs. Find the link in the description below.